Hey guys, welcome to another one. It's your boy Twadi, and today's video is very interesting. We'll be talking about one of the most fascinating young musicians ever to land in South Africa, man. You feel me? We all know her from from her infamous Chris Brown story. You know what, before we waste any time, let's get to it, man. Don't forget to hit the subscribing button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever we post, you are here in time, bro. Let's get to it. So you feel me? Basically, Naledi Aphiwe came up, after her infamous Chris Brown collab. You feel me? Whereby Chris Brown used her voice in an introduction to one of his songs called "Shooters." You feel me? So yeah, that really changed Naledi's life, man. We're still grateful to you, Chris, man. Things have been crazy for Naledi, bro. Yeah, after the Chris Brown feature, things have been crazy for Naledi. You feel me? She has become one of the most, elegant and one of the most famous people in South Africa at the moment, man. You feel me? And Ukeli was still in high school. Don't get me wrong. There's nothing wrong about that. But I'm just saying, you feel me? Her life changed very quick. You feel me? She's been on the fast lane ever since, dog. So what happened was, you feel me? Naledi featured Chris Brown on a song without even meeting him, before she could even meet him, to me. So eventually they met, man, when Chris Brown, I remember when Chris Brown came to South Africa. I think it was this year early, right? Yeah, man, you feel me? He came in the so it wasn't long after Naledi's come up that she started facing so many backlashes from the internet, you feel me? For a lot of reasons. Cause okay, we are papa. You
Okay, into engitshela ukuthi kumele ngiqhubeke no-music journey. Okay, Chris Brown.
Wow.
Chris Brown. And then lokho ukuthi besicule eklasini back then, it's because ukucula vele into yabo ade siyenze ekhaya vele wonke umuntu ngiphuma kwi-background vele kuyacula ekhaya. I don't know if you know usiswami Nontokozo.
Oh, who doesn't?
Yeah, ilokho kutshela lokho ukuthi vele ekhaya vele becula, but umuntu ongicaciselile indlela like ukuthi okay kumele uqale music journey Chris Brown.
Surely, most definitely.
Yeah.
So, all right, Chris Brown hits you up, right?
Yeah.
And then, okay, after that,
Yeah.
And then, what's going on? What are the emotions? What happens to you?
I was so excited.
Obviously.
I was so excited. Yo, angazi, because okay, ngafike ngayenza video, and then sayenza video, and then my teacher posted a video on his TikTok.
her most famous moments was when she got kicked off stage, that time when like a Maskandi traditional group was performing, and then you feel me, they were cut off so that she can get on stage. And I guess people were not happy about that. You feel me? And that's not all. So Naledi is also known, for beefing with her fans online, including other musicians too, man. You feel me? There is this famous video of her whereby she was attacking Fifi Cooper, Hey, yeah, that was weird. I don't know, like the reason why she was attacking Fifi Cooper. So basically, they say Naledi accused Fifi Cooper of stealing her iPhone. Imagine, Fifi Cooper uchonche iPhone ka Naledi. So besides Fifi Cooper, she was also in a battle with Amahle. Amahle is like usisi kamahu omncane. You feel me? So yeah, man, you feel me? Naledi is a beef star, man. You feel me? She's a drill star.
Naledi. Maka. I don't know how you feel, honestly, knowing that there is no truth in everything that you're saying about me. I don't know, Rufila. First of all, I get tagagago. Ne? I've been in this industry for more than 18 years. You are not just going to accuse me of something saying how not proof you are, and you're not even sure of what you say. Your story is all over the place, my love. You don't do that. You don't drag my name in the mud just because of attention. You want attention. So many people were using that bathroom. Just because I went in the bathroom and you were also there doesn't mean I stole your phone. There were a lot of people in the bathroom. Why is it me? Is it because you know that when you post it and mention my name, people will pay attention? Or what is it? What game are you playing? Because it doesn't make sense to me. I feel like you are so disrespectful. Like, honestly, I don't even know you that much. The first thing I did today is like, I stole a phone. When? How? Like, young.
So besides the Chris Brown feature, you feel me, Naledi has become a sensation whereby, you feel me, she has features with many of the most amazing and popular musicians in South Africa, such as CC. She made a song with Mawelele, during the peak of their relationship. Remember, she was dating Mawelele, right? And they were even engaged. So a lot of people were shocked when they called off the engagement. You feel me? It was weird, man. I'm gonna lie.
Ngendlela engiphila ngayo phambi kwabantu. Ya, semele ngibe isibonelo esihle kwi generation ezemva kwami. Yeah.
Is this stuff that you were expecting? Were you expecting this change? I mean, when you thought about, okay, I'm going to be successful, I'm going to sing music, I'm going to make music, you want to be a star, had you thought about, okay, now I've got to watch myself, I've got to do things differently?
Having guys,
Ngiyazi number. Kunamnandi Chris Brown. Oh, it smells so good. Unamnandi.
Uma suyokuphatha ingane zabantu wenze ngathi yakho umncane lo ujahe ingane silima umncane yami nje lo ujahe ingane hamba nayo utshela ingane yakhe emathuneni hamba nawe uyotshela nobaba wakho emathuneni hamba fusek hlama lo phatha ingane zabantu la wenza wisdom yakho singazi nokuthi wafunda nini umethu wisdom nje wena wisdom nje isilibo ethe babakho uyayithanda ingane ezincane umjalo mohambe emgwaqeni hlezi uhlangana nengane ezincane ngangikhenye baba wakho fuseka motshe isikhohla sababa wakho silimo hlangana noma ungazokujoyela yabona umsebenzi wakho ubaba wakho yini imisebenzi yakhe mina uma uyidlozi libonakala ukuthi liyaphila likhona liya exist ubaba wakho ngoba uhambe ehlanganisa neyane elingana nawe nje lezi kutshela ukuthi ngangijanya baba wakho wangishela nihlangana naphi nje uzubo mina umami nimsebenzi mina nginayo ubaba wena unayo ubaba mina nginayo ubaba mina upho wakho baba mina nginayo ubaba upho wakho. Where's your father? Upho baba wakho mina ngina mina mfethu yonke into eyishoya ingithinta indawo. Yabo yonke into eyishoya ingithinta indawo. Anginandaba mina nawe wena. Ayingithinta indawo ithi diki. Ayingithinta indawo nje ngisho ngakhuluma uzugcinephi. Akukho okuzoshintsha. Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu ngokwenzeka bandla enganeni yakho. I think ingoba wavundla eswini esingenamsoco. I think that's.
You feel me, man? It's your boy Twadi, and I'm gonna lie, man. We really love you, Naledi, dog. Like, it was Tembelegi Pela, and like we hope your antics will stop. You feel me? Your shenanigans on social media, man. You feel me, dog? Like, it's fucked up. You're a celebrity. You need to have a better image, man. You feel me? You need to build a new image, a new Naledi. And now, stop dating Mawelele, man. Stop it. Stop chasing Mawelele. You feel me? Because now you're a celebrity now. So, I'm a celebrity Naledi.
Bengina izolo lokhe ethu
uyangithanda maningithathela yena nithi ngithande bane benginayizolo lokhe ethi uyangithanda maningithathela yena nithi ngithande bane maningithathela yena nithi ngithande bane.
Having a conversation. There are lots of people that are excited to see you on the show. I'm excited. We're all excited. We're really, really happy for you. How much has your life changed since you started to enjoy this success?
My life changed because manje ngisho ngingagibela itaxi manje people are gonna shoot me bethi unalate ugibela itaxi yabo. So yeah, it has changed cause semele.
Yeah, man, angicamba manga dog. Like this was a really short video. So it's your boy Twadi, and please don't forget to subscribe, man. You feel me? And I'll see you or catch you on the next one, man. You feel me? Catch you on the flip side, nigga. Yeah, man. I'm still gonna try to text a lady, see if she can respond, man. You know, since my Welele left here, man. You feel me? She's singing like in dog. So yeah, man. You feel me? Your boy Twadi. If you wanna take chances on BD.
Yeah. Gang. Gucci with that bag, nigga. You know I tell factual stories and shit. Fact. Hey, hey. So much smoke in the back, the shit that I sold, I was smoke too. The glass pipe burning so hard till it pop out. Morgan didn't pass their pipe till the blood started to come out. I had to flee the hood. Young, I was drowning in too many cases. Back then, too many faces. And then I needed changing. I moved down. FS Studio started cook out. I had some people to look up. Even my mama, she stood up. She noticed the sun was different. And I was about the beefy. End up suffering depression. Then I go up in the beefy. I had some people to look out. Even my mama, she stood up. She noticed the sun was different. And I was always about the beefy. And I did suffer some basic depression. Suffer some basic sexual stuff. Suffer some basic depression. And no lie in this. Won't be asking me what I smoke. Should be asking me who I smoke. Catalea, I take overdose. She make me rich even though I'm broke. I never cry when my heart broke. And I go around heartbeat. Fuck around in the side chick. If she mentally with this nigga, I'ma release my side piece.
Catalia is who I smoke. I'm a blunt king, yeah, always block. My mother worry, she tryna flop, but I'm high up, I'm skimming the waves. Catalia got me working on pace, got me skimming up, I'm hitting those days. Fuck up the game, I never wanna hate. Living the dream, I never wanna fake.
Don't be asking me what I smoke. What? Should be asking me who I smoke. Catalia, I take overdose. She made me rich even though I'm broke. I never cry when my heart broke. Gucci with a bag. Polar facts.